The Dell K17A docking station is a popular USB-C dock, but occasional glitches can occur. This tutorial will guide you through easy reset methods to resolve connectivity issues, display problems, or charging failures quickly. Resets are a safe and effective way to restore functionality without losing data. Reset your K17A docking station when you experience common software-related issues that disrupt its functionality. First, if your monitors are not displaying correctly, such as flickering or no output, a reset can often restore proper video connections. Second, when USB devices connected to the dock are not being recognized by your computer, resetting clears temporary firmware glitches. Third, if the dock fails to charge your laptop, a reset can restore power delivery functionality. Fourth, intermittent connectivity problems, like dropped connections or unstable links, are often resolved by resetting the dock's settings. According to Dell's user survey, 65% of docking issues are resolved via resets, with an average resolution time under 5 minutes. These are typically software-related problems, not hardware damage. The hardware reset is the most common method for resetting your Dell K17A docking station. Start by disconnecting all cables from the docking station. This ensures no power is flowing during the reset process. Next, locate the small pinhole reset button on the side of the K17A. It's a tiny hole that requires a thin tool to access. Use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll feel a slight click when it engages. After releasing the button, reconnect all cables to the docking station, making sure to plug the USB-C connection back into your laptop. This hardware reset clears temporary memory and reboots the station, resolving most software glitches and connectivity issues. For a software reset using Dell Support Assist, start by downloading and running the Dell Support Assist application on your Windows PC. This tool provides automated diagnostics and maintenance for Dell devices. Once installed, open Support Assist and navigate to the docking station in your device list. Look for the K17A docking station under Connected Peripherals. Select the Reset or Troubleshoot option for the docking station. Follow the on-screen prompts to perform a soft reset. This process may also check for and install firmware updates, which can resolve underlying compatibility issues. If the hardware reset doesn't resolve the issue, try an advanced reset by reinstalling the USB drivers. On Windows, open Device Manager and uninstall the docking station drivers under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. On macOS, use System Settings to remove the drivers from the software section. After uninstalling, perform the hardware reset again, then reconnect the docking station and let your operating system automatically reinstall the drivers. When resetting your Dell K17A docking station, remember these important safety considerations. First, avoid performing resets during active data transfers to prevent potential data corruption. Second, ensure your laptop's firmware and drivers are up to date to avoid compatibility conflicts that could cause reset issues. Finally, consult Dell's online manuals for model-specific diagrams and detailed troubleshooting advice to ensure proper reset procedures. Resets are primarily effective for software-related issues like connectivity problems or glitches. If you suspect hardware damage, such as after a power surge, a reset may not fix the problem. Contact Dell support for warranty assistance or replacement, as hardware failures are not resolved via resets. Docking stations are rapidly evolving with faster connection standards. Thunderbolt 4 offers up to 40 Gbps speeds and support 8K displays, enabling more powerful workstation setups. By 2026, many models feature AI-driven diagnostics that automatically detect and resolve common issues like connectivity drops, making resets proactive and automated. Hybrid docks will incorporate built-in Wi-Fi 7 and 5G modules by 2028, reducing dependence on wired connections for greater flexibility in remote and hybrid work environments. Future designs emphasize modular ports for easier repairs and sustainable, recyclable materials to support environmental goals. Dell's upcoming models will prioritize these features for long-term usability. Driven by remote work trends, the docking station market is growing at 10 to 15% annually. Stay tuned for Dell's advanced solutions that combine speed, intelligence, and sustainability.